Look at that.
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I print.
Tapos ayun yung ano,
Up here
yung
It's
Fairmont Chateau.
to
Diyan kami
35.
nanggaling sa Fairmont Chateau. At ngayon nandito kami sa bundok ng Big
Like
Beehive.
this.
Oh my
Like
gosh,
that.
muntik na kaming
di matuloy.
di matuloy nung makita namin yung elevation game.
This is
Picture lang kita,
it's also nice spot though. Nice for the picture taking.
Lang kita dyan.